Physics of class 10, first chapter. And in first chapter, simple harmonic motion. You know, simple harmonic motion is a vibratory motion in which these conditions are satisfied, and conditions are that net force is directly proportional to the displacement of the body and net force is directed towards the mean position. Now instead of a net force over here, you may say acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement of the body and acceleration is directed towards the mean position. So I think this clarity is clear to everyone. Coming to Hooke's law, I have shown a spring over here. One end of the spring is fixed and to the other end of the spring a body is attached, and this body and spring all are placed on a horizontal surface. Alright, when I apply the force, external force on this body, what will happen? The spring will move in that direction, body will also move in that direction. So look at here what is happening now. This was the position of the body and this is the new position now. So this one is displacement, change in length of the spring. You may call it change in length of the spring. So now what is Hooke's law? The force applied on the spring is directly proportional to the increase in length of the spring. It's better to say force applied on the spring is directly proportional to the change in length of the spring. So F proportional to X, proportionality sign is removed, so equality and constant, where K is spring constant, and this spring constant basically measures the stiffness of the spring. Okay, now I come to the spring constant. How to define it? Look at this equation. From here I may call K as K spring constant. This is F over X. What is F? That is force applied on the spring. What is X? Change in the length of the spring. So you may call the ratio of force applied on the spring to change in its length is called spring constant, and its unit will be, as unit of force is Newton, and for change in length the unit is meter. So unit for spring constant is Newton per meter. Thank you very much.